Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password, don't worry because there are several ways to retrieve it directly from your Android device. Step 1. First, open your device settings app and look for the network or connections section. Tap on it, and you'll see your Wi-Fi options appear. Step 2. Find and select the Wi-Fi network you're already connected to, then look for an option that says Manage or Details. This might be listed as advanced settings depending on your Android version. Step 3. Look for a QR code option that appears on the screen. Android devices starting from version 10 allow you to scan or view the QR code of your current network, which contains the password information encoded within it. Step 4. If you don't see a QR code, check if there's a Show Password option available. You may need to toggle this option, and sometimes it requires you to verify your device lock pattern or PIN for security purposes. Step 5. Alternatively, if you have access to your router settings, you can log into the admin panel using your computer and view all connected devices and their passwords from there. This method works great if you want to change your password or see all your network details in one place.